Hello, my people. How na day? Also na day fine. May we listen to OJ spam. Not do spam me bomu. Ne bogba okoya me. Okay? I know say I do video yesterday. I not finish this video. The video long go, but may we just listen. Okay?
I will shut up. If my name was so good, why you not call her for his house? Is that what you asked me?
Hey, my people. My people, now see what they make this woman they cry. This Coco Birini or not fall straight. What did they make her they cry? Una remember when be say the one where the John really come for Spain? Where be say, come the talk say, commenters, then they pursue one, then they insult and all those things. Where I can't do video, I can't say, make them not quarrel. If na so make she for call her for inside house. Coco Biri, na you're afraid na. The only person where you tell say you want go do marriage for this social media is your friend na. What you be say make I can't tell you? Oh, you get problem, big problem. Oh man, if person may I call somebody and I tell her secret say I want go do marriage. She was the only one. I should talk and say now only she know for this social media. And it's good make I tell you now why you not call her for inside house. Because you they call her even for live video. You they call her for inside house. Me, I know they call anybody. I never call anybody once. And I don't even do that video. I just say Lolo fans. I not do it to Lolo. I do that video where I can't say make them pack where. Not be all of them even safe. Now some of them will be say, oh, now we want so you still have a long way to go. You need therapy. You understand? Because it's not easy. Person where be say, oh, you both dump. You thief spam, take bomb. You not born with love. Oyibo they happy for our black born from there. You not be like that. Oyibo no, he not even send you. You know the family not send you. You force her, you born for her. So all that thing, it go they affect you for brain. Not be like this one not be saga. I just they tell you. Because for you to take this thing, say, me tell you, say why you not call her for inside. Well, how you say make I tell you, make you for not tell, now not be your friend. Hey, now so you be. Then say now so you be. I don't know say now so you be. You get problem. Real one. Believe me. Big one now you get. If somebody tell you something, this thing, now you put for me, say, me tell you, say, why you not call her for his house. And say, friend, where be, say, una be. You even embrace and wanna go Spain. Una talk together, una they do pepper the friendship with her. Before she can't dump you now where you they cry. What you say, make I tell you? She was your friend. She was your best friend. For live video, you they call her, you get her number. What you be saying, make I tell you? You still get a long way to go. Go therapy. Because person will be say, a both dump. You can't thief Spain, take bomb. Dakina Gbola koya me. Even this one where you even carry so. Now by forced marriage, because of social media, they tell you, say, we must go and marry. Una gbale muje po mo una marry. So no con why they do all this thing? You need therapy. This one not be say I just they tell you the truth. You need to go to therapy. Everything where you don't use your mouth, talk, we say you don't pass through. You need 2 years therapy. Now abroad we did 2 years. Because waiting. Jesus. You say, why me not call her for his house? I never call her one day. I know they call anybody. I don't get anybody number. As a friend, where be to you. Where be say, you tell her, even your secrets, you not bring her, come and say, see this person, they go Nigeria. Now see, now you still use your mouth to talk and say, when you go Nigeria, now only she know. So that kind of friendship, why you go destroy because of people from the commenters? You go tell her, say, your commenters, they disturb me. I not like all these things. Now you they cry, put. Ha! Coco, TV spend. Now so you be who will wine. Not be your course will do me anything. Everybody wait there for this social media. You don't insult all of them. Only never insult people. Where senior me say, "Uti born in yanet A to Z." Go and work on yourself. You need help. Not be like you need help. Social media will never help you. You get bitter soul. You too get all those. See. You too get all those the problem where you pass through. It reach to a person to depress, to a person to get all that problem. As a senior sister to you, because I senior you, go for therapy. You hear what I talk? Go for therapy, because when woman get belle, you need man where go the love her, where go the caress her, all those are your boy are aware, all those things. You not get her for Igbo, and no Igbo na play love pass. Umami a boy. So all those things and the stress when you pass through as you deport you 2 times, all those things. I know they mock you, but I'm telling you the truth. Now I can't see why you they cry. Hey, Vie, I tell you the truth. If person tell me the same thing, I go take her. Because really, now my friend, now person where you they call, I go say, okay, good. This person, where this person talks, so nobody say he beats me. I for really call him for inside house. Why you not call him for inside house? Or my son have here bar. You get problem for your brain. Go and work on yourself. You need to work on yourself, because so this pain take born. As you take a born, even the man not send you. You not even send the pikin. So it pain go there. It is normal. We be woman. You love the man not love you. It still they cause all those pain. You see, you need to go and work on yourself. And they tell you the truth. 2 years you need that. You see all these big way they do, so you know they help. Everybody don't even know the kind of person where you be. You normal say less something, now you can't they cry they put. If she my friend, send a person where they call, I go call her. You don't ever see somebody talk say I don't call her for live video. Oh, now you they call, you call her for live video, you they talk for, you want to contribute, all those things, meaning you get her number. Anyway, why I saw you say I tell say why you not call her for his ass. Oh, shame on you. You need therapy. You need to go to therapy. You need to go and work on yourself. If they do way video total, the best thing if I see say you do video, say you see they insult yourself. I mean ya boekere, it do a blog ya yo one because the brain when you no make now regbe amusa. You decrease. You decrease. You think say easy to marry a boss stay for there. When makaje no ma bege no je. You were not having love there. Uma even when you make no area therapy. You need to go to therapy. Edge of man where you might be. Oyibo sabi love where. If you not see love for them, you need to go therapy. Or can worry therapy. Not the one where you can't stand, can't sit down for social media. Anybody will do anything. No. Go and work on yourself. Go and work on yourself. I'm telling you the truth. Oh. Go work for yourself. You don't need all those things. No do atia bonne no say where if they tell you now. So now that video where I do that time, even when una even fight one fear ya, you see say I analyze una. You see say I talk with. So that one where I talk, where I say make una no fight, you for call am for inside see for all those things. Oh we wa soji. Hey ja. Hey, now wash out. Now wa. I know say not be your fault. Now wait till you pass through. You don't pass through all these things. You know, say when somebody get problem and that problem you not resolve, you not go for therapy, it go worse thing. It go worse. You not go maybe the thing say you go heal. You know heal. Maybe somebody don't fair tell you. You know heal. You need therapy, strong one. Because when woman get belle, upon all those things where be say you pass through, now so you can't explain me deal, all about all those things. There was no love. Not be saying now the Igbo beg you, born for me. I love you so much. You know, all those things where you be say you pass through. So Okmak money is still there for inside your body. You need to work on it. To work on it. And make sure say you work. Work on it. You will never heal on who heal. Who heal you? And one milk be out here, but no milk hold here, but no hammer where Enzo say ugbe. Ah Jesus. So wet it bomawa. Who want to lounge me up mama son? Because I tell you, your bestie, where you be say you they praise all the time, where you even tell say you want to go do marriage. Now only she know. I tell you say you for collar, because of say you don't feel the collar. Oh when I was so hey Coco Biri, oh just spam. I will be honest. Go and work on yourself. Social media will never help you. It will never. Oh when I was here, but now was so. Don't want to make it no, I will call now. If I want to talk something, I just sit down for live video talk. If I want to send message, I just sit down, they send message. You don't ever see say, oh my God. Coco Biri, go and work on yourself. What you bomb me, I pray me the blogger. What you bomb me? Ibu where they do go where one do total live video. No, I mean video near yaka boy because I know when we make come in live video, it will bear yo, do I remember? You are okay. Able love you went to a because you were not having the love. So nobody will give you love. I first say love. Who were forced or who were also no manner de yo. Go and work on yourself. Go for therapy for 2 years. You will be okay. Ohonia. Only we need to time away. And wow.
Yeah, that's it, love.